Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button. You can follow our telegram channel. You'll find a link to the comment section. Now let's see what we'll be expecting this week on gold. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame. We clearly can see that our full trend on gold is literally on an uptrend move. Now take a look at this movement here, which is our support level. Market dropped, we had it bounce, market eventually came, that it bounce. So one thing we should be expecting is another pullback to come retest it. That is our forecast for this week. That gold should come to retest this our support level. Now there's possibility it will likely break above this level because this is the resistance level. If it will do that, I'll give you guys the updates. But for now, let's be expecting it sell to the support level. If it breaks above the resistance level, then we will continue the movement upward.